Hello, welcome to Daily Value with Patrick, and today we'll be looking at how to get started on Phase 1 International platform as a newbie. So if this is your first time of joining this business, you are welcome. You'll be learning at the end of this video. You would have known the interface about how Phase 1 International platform looks like and what is expected on this platform. Okay, so feel free to explore and then let's go. So as a newbie, what you should do is to, once you get registered and your login details has been sent to you, then you log in using either Chrome browser. Okay, and where you log in is you go to www fesjewel.com. I already have that there. Then you click go. Okay, now it brings you to this page. Okay, look at the page right now. Okay, now once it gets you to this page, I will need you to now at the top right hand corner of your screen. Okay, because I'm using a mobile phone, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do is to just go straight to that where you have the three dots. Okay, click on it and then change it to desktop side. Click that white button, white box. Okay, it automatically changes to desktop mode. Now you click sign in. Okay, now look at this. When you get there, you would have been sent your name, your username, your login password, and then the security password. But for you to log in, you need just your username, which is you put your username. The username I'm using here is real time business, so I'll use the first one there. Okay, now then remember to click the white button that reads please read and agree. In bracket you have registration agreement, so you click on that. Okay, and you log in. You click login. Okay, it takes you there. Once it takes to this page, okay, look at the page very well. All right, then locate the member society. Yes, you click on member society. Now just explore. As a newbie, you need to just explore. Look at all categories. Then there you have financial center, you have top up, you have the withdrawal. The withdrawal button is when you are trying to withdraw your money, the FAS point that is paid to you. Then you have conversion. The conversion key there is when you want to create a new account or new shop. When you have sold the shop to someone or you are opening a new account, that's when you use that conversion. Then transfer is when you are transferring your points, okay, from one person to another, in your team or outside of your team, depending on what you have. Then the bonus details is where you see most of the bonuses that you have earned in this business. Okay, then the wallet transaction history, that's the next one there, is a place where the history of all the transaction that has happened in your shop is. Okay, so you can always have access to that. Then the account setting also, that's where you see your personal particulars, your login password, security password, in case you want to change any of that. Then you have your referrals. Okay, my referrals, that's where you see the people that you've referred. So far so good. All right, but right now I know you are just new, so you are willing to refer others. So by the time you refer others, you'll be seeing them on this space. Okay, then you now have team overview. Now the team overview is where you have people under you, under your team. Okay, when you click that team overview, it's where you have people under. Then other management. The other management is a button that shows you the when after you have placed your order, it shows whether your order is successful or not, or if your trade is running. That's where you see that. Okay, then the account upgrade shows whenever you want to upgrade your account maybe from VIP 1 shop to VIP 2 shop or VIP 3 or VIP 4 as the case may be, or even a higher VIP. Okay, so that's what takes care of that. Then you have a service center. Service center shows you different activities that happens within the service center. Then you have the customer service center area, and then the QR code. You see, all of these are the features that you have on this space. Then by the right hand side, you have the home, the VIP, the mall, the new retail, the auction packages. Remember, we are the member society. Then you have the notice board also. Then below it you have category, execution, balance before execution, then executed amount, and the rest. Okay, so this is basically how this phase 1 platform, e-commerce platform is. Okay, so you take your time, explore, just go through the different buttons that you have there. You already know how you log into this page, and then you can explore different as you can go to the home page. You can go visit the VIP page. As you can see, you see different stuff. And remember that this is still on the desktop mode. You can change it back to the phone mode, the mobile phone mode, by removing it from desktop mode. Okay, and this is what you've got. Okay, now you can see that you've got this, the VIP side, the mall, the new retail, the auction, sorry, and then the packages. All right, so this is what it is to log in into this platform and then explore it. All right, then kindly take note that when you are on the mobile version of this very site, if you click my here, after where you have the home at the bottom of this mobile, you have home, you have sort, you have news, you have my. So you click on my, it will bring you to this space, to the page where you have top up, withdrawal, bonus details, wallet transaction history. You have order management, transfer, conversion, exchange rate calculation. If you look at this now, this is the mobile mode. You find out that this is exactly what you've seen why it's at the website or desktop mode. Okay, so feel free to explore this space and then just go around it and then understand what is there. If you want to sign out, you see below the your phone, you see or below the device you are using, whether you are using a laptop to watch this now or any of the device you are using, you would see where you have the sign out button. You can always use that to ensure you are doing the right thing. Okay, so be that as it may, okay, you can just explore if I click the wallet transaction history, or even the bonus details. Let me click the bonus detail. You see all the bonuses that have come into that have earned so far. So as you can see that this business is awesome. It gives you a whole lot of money, as the case may be. So feel free to ask questions anytime. Okay, I'll always be here, and you can send me a direct message. Okay, and then do not forget, if this is your first time of actually seeing my video on this channel, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, and then like the channel. All right, and then subscribe to this channel so you always be the first to see the videos, the amazing videos that we put out here for you on a weekly basis. Okay, I will see you in the next video.